Hey gang, Al here again for the second to last break for the freebies. November 22nd to the 25th purchases over that weekend, the Thanksgiving weekend. 2012 Bowman Chrome football box break. It is November 30th, and your sheet on the wall tells you which teams you own in the order of most teams own to least teams own. Time check now. It is 11:35 p.m. East Coast time, November 30th, and your box of 2012 Topps Chrome football. Here we come. Let's bust into it and see which one. Auto, two autos. I think there's only one auto in these. I haven't come across any or seen any that had more than one auto, so I'm pretty sure there's only one. Let's hope it's a good one. Empty. And we're off. First pack up. We have the Michael James, Boykin, Mark Ingram Refractor, and Greg Jennings. Gray, Curry, Pede Refractor, Marshall. T.Y. Hilton, a Ryan Lindley out of 216, Steven Jackson, and Jimmy Graham. Givens, Jenkins, Ponder Refractor, Cam Newton. Worthy, Robert Griffin out of 299, nice black border. Nice little hit there. Bolden and White. And who's got Wash? The Wash is Stephen Kellen Moore, Trent Richardson, Russell Wilson Refractor, and Ponder. DeCastro, David, Stephen Hill, Tony Romo. Poe, Michael Vick, and Brian Arakpo, Hall, Tomba Hall, no Halley, and Denard, Jarius Wright, Justin Blackmon Mini, Dez Bryant. Lindley, Still, another mini, Bernard Pierce, Randy Moss, Wilson, Andrew Luck, nice little card there, Foster and McGahee, Kantz, AJ Jenkins, Antonio Brown, David, and Gilmore, a red Nick Perry out of 399. I guess that's the pink BCA. Mark Ingram and Santonio Holmes. Still looking for that auto. Hendricks, Jeffrey, Bush, and Colston. Let's scoot these to the side. Kreiner, Mike Wallace, Military, $4.99. Cruz and Jackson. Fleener, Childs, White, and Gates. Osweiler, Crick, Mike Adams Refractor, Mike Williams. Quick, Military Ray Rice, $4.99. Fitzpatrick and Jones. A couple of militaries there. And Kalil, Jordan White, and a 1984 Topps Football Auto of Nick Toon. 84 is cool. Nick Toon could do better than that, but a Jermichael Finley, and that should go to the Saints. So the Saints will be Matthews at the top spot there. Zach Brown, Doug Martin, be cool if that was autographed. Wes Welker, Hakeem Nicks. Matthews, Kendall Wright, Red Zone rookie, and Sam Bradford, Roy Haven. A Baquette, McNutt, Jones, Refractor, Woodson. Claiborne. A Merciless, Santonio Holmes Refractor, Frank Gore, last pack. And Aaron Corp, Elshon Jeffrey, Brandon Whedon, and Tim Tebow. Alright, gang, that's it. That is your break for the Chrome 2012 football. And it should say Topps Chrome, not Bowman Chrome. And I think I said Bowman at the beginning of the show. So, you got that RG3 black border out of $2.99. And the Nick Toon 1984 football. Alright, gang, up next is going to be the big one. Best of football leaf, and going to go quick, so don't blink. It's going to go fast. So 1 card, 2 cards, I think. But stay tuned for that. Good luck during that break. Good luck to your rest of your breaks. You guys take care. Have a good night.